What if I told you you don't need Photoshop or any other fancy design tool to design like Nike? Recently, I have recreated an amazing design which is posted by Nike's social media handle in Canva. So, my name is Som, I'm a Canva verified expert. So, in this video, we will break it down how to design like a brand. So, this is the episode 2 featuring Nike. So, if you want to design professional looking bold design, then stick into this video. This is the game changer for you. So let's dive in. Before jump into the Canva, let's break it down what makes this design so powerful and amazing. So as you can see into the design, it is having the big and the bold typography, which is giving us a motivational sporty look, and you can see the smart wordplay, you can't win so win. So this is kind of a motivational phrase that generally Nike use in their brand campaigns and the design, and you can see the perfect composition. The text is slightly overlapped with the subject, giving the overall depth into the design and looks very creative. And you can see the logo of the Nike, the Swiss sign, and generally brand put it into the corner, like upper left corner they put, but Nike makes the design element, the logo, as a perfect design element. They make it into the design. So now that we know why this works, so let's create this amazing magic into the Canva. As you can see here, we are on our laptop screen, so all you have to do is just go into the canva.com, or you can directly open the Canva app into your phone. So just select the social media, as we are creating the Instagram post which is recently posted by the Nike brand. So as you can see, recently the Instagram changes their grid sizes. So the latest 4:5, which is 1080 into 1350 pixels, is available on Canva, so you can directly select it from here. And if you want to create any other size, then you can select it from there as well. So I mean, just click on this Instagram post, so you can see here we have our canvas, and I have already uploaded some of the Nike model images, you can see over here, and from the printers. So I will add the link into the description, so you can also grab it from there. So yeah, you can see these are the images I have for today's design. Yeah, these are the 2 images. So recently, these days, we are getting the images for the brand design or the campaign design. The images is really good, so we don't have much part to do the converting as a design. So the most major component of our design is the image, so we need to focus more into the images. So I will just delete this one, and first we are gonna start with this. So I will use the raw images of this one. This one is the raw. Okay, so now I will just quickly edit the image, and I will simply apply this fresco filter, which is having the kind of a good saturation or having the good contrast. So, and for the minor adjustment, I will go into this adjustment panel, and here I will reduce the temperature. So as it's just giving the morning vibe, so I will just go with the slightly cooler vibe, and just increase the saturation a bit to make it darker and fully saturated. And you can also adjust the property according to their image and all. So now we have our image, and I will also duplicate this particular image and remove the background of the top one. So you can see here we have the 2 images, and I will remove the background of the first one, so you will aware about this later into this video. So now I'm gonna use like this text tab over here to add my text. So here we have you can't win. This is the major text, one major text, and the text is so win. And this. Okay, so these are the 2 texts we have into our design. So Nike using the Futura font as their brand font, but for this particular campaign they have used a condensed font. So I'm using any condensed font which is available on Canva. So I'm directly searching the condensed over here, and you can see over here dynamo condensed is the one I'm gonna use this particular design. So I will just make it stretched it, and I will just change the color to the white, and for this one also I will change the color to the white so it can easily visible, and just make it dynamo. Okay, this one as well. So just stretch it down to cover the most of the part, and you can see this is okay. So now you can see over here, and so I will place my text behind the image, so that is why I have duplicate and remove the background. So I will just click on this position tab, go to the layers panel, and I will duplicate and place my text behind the image. Okay, so now you can see my text is behind, but it is not clearly visible at all. So I will do one thing, just select my text over and just decrease the size and just add some adjustment. Okay, so I will just add some spacing, and so it can be easily visible. Okay, so now you can see over here, and just remove some spacing so it will like remove only the face part so it can be easily visible. And right, like now it's looking pretty good, and again I will go and give the text. Okay, so now it can easily understandable what the mean is, and just holding the option key and place it on top. Okay, so now you can see here we have, and to stay consistent with the brand design, so you need to majorly think about the color palette and the logo they are using for their design. So for that, if you are creating design for any popular brand which is well known, so you can directly use the brand fetch plugin into the Canva. So I am also using the same, so I will search the brand fetch logo, and here you can see when you search the Nike or any other popular brand, you will get the logo and their color palette, or some of the images like the kind of a tagline or the major images you will get. So I'm gonna use this white one for our design, so I'm just click on it, and it is also uploaded. You can find it in your uploads tab over here. So here you can see it. So I will stretch it over here to cover most of my design part, and so this is the major thing. Generally brand put the logo at the top right corner or top left corner, but Nike make it the main design component, their logo. So this is the new trending or dynamic stuff that you can also implement while working on any branded project. So this is the one learning you can make it, and I'm also just adding the one thing, like just adding the athlete name, which is done by me only, like it's not a part of their campaign. So Maria, okay, I'm just adding the simply slightly. Okay, foliage. Okay, so you can see about the color of this is. So again we are gonna go to brand fetch, and here you can see the color. So I will just using this white and black color into our design. So I will just click on this white, and you can see over here, so this is the general FFF white, so which I have already selected for it. But if you working on any other brand, so you can directly add this particular block, and by using the color picker you can select that particular thing. So I'm just gonna just here and go to the select your text and click on this and go to select this color palette, and from the block you can directly select that exact brand color that you want to use. So this is our overall design, and you can also add the texture if you want, which is generally used some of the sporty brands. So I will search the texture into the elements tab, and here you will get amazing textures that you can directly use into your design. Or you can add the directly noise effect or like film grain and any kind of effect by using the Canva apps. And if you want me to create a dedicated video which is very useful Canva apps, then I will definitely just do let me know into the comment section. So as of now I'm deleting it, and now my images looks good. So let's quickly create the another one. So like fast forwarding this video so you can see and enjoy the process. So it is created very quickly because of all the component is ready, so we can just duplicate it and just changing the model. So now you can also create the amazing branded design right inside the Canva. So this is the episode 2 of Design Like a Brand Canva series. More is coming. That's it for this amazing video. Do let me know your feedback into the comment section and give us a like, share and subscribe, which motivate us to create amazing content for you. And if you have any specific idea, do let me know into the comment as well. So that's it for this amazing video. Bye.